Whoa, you are all up in my personal space. Since you're here, you can see some of the low-cost DIY plant decor I have in my home. It's all right, stay a while. This first decor pot, I think I purchased from Walmart. I just stuffed trash bags in it to build it up and cut up some stems from Walmart, and voila. I made this plant holder out of a gum container. I just put rocks in the bottom to weigh it down and some more stems that were cut from Walmart. Here is a lampshade from a touch metal lamp that I used to have years ago, and I like the shape of the bowl, so I used it to put plants in. I put a paper towel in this lid so that none of the rocks would fall through. The rocks I got from the Dollar Tree, and all you have to do is just add succulents. The succulents that I added are all from the Dollar Tree. I use a lot of paper or plastic bags to help build up my containers so that I don't have to use as many rocks. Everything that you see here, minus the paper, came from the Dollar Tree. I think I got this bowl some time ago from Tuesday Morning, and I lined it with some paper and added rocks and a plant from the Dollar Tree. I love to use bowls and things that are meant for the kitchen because a lot of times they may have odd shapes. Here's another example of something that has an odd shape to me. This is a utensil caddy, and I think I got this from Tuesday Morning a long time ago as well. And I just stuffed it with plastic bags and added stems to it for decor. And you can always wash it out and use it for utensils later. This metal organizer I got from the Dollar Tree. It has magnets on the back of it so that if you want to stick it on something metal for decor, you can, or for organization. I decided to use this as decor on my refrigerator. Here's another odd shaped container. I think I got this from Tuesday Morning. And I just lined the bottom of the bowl, of course, with paper. And I had these blue gems that I've had for a very long time. And when you're not using these gems or the rocks that you use in your decor, you can always store them in plastic bags for use in the future so that you don't have to keep spending money over and over again on these items. This DIY was extremely simple. These are just 2 candle holders from the Dollar Tree. The succulent is from that also. And you just glue them together and you have a taller decor piece. These 2 containers, I have 4 in all, but I'm only showing 2. I painted drink containers white with several coats, I think maybe 3, and then I wrapped the top mouth part of the bottles with twine. These succulent stems, I think I got these from Walmart. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, have a pleasant, purposeful, and productive day.